In the hush of the evening rain, I hear your voice call my name, soft and tender like a lullaby. In your arms I want to lie. Whispers in the rain, they speak of you. Every drop of memory, pure and true. In the rhythm of the storm, I find our song. In your love, where I belong. The world fades away in a misty blur, but with you, everything is clear. Hand in hand, we'll chase the storm, finding shelter in a love so warm. Whispers in the rain, they speak of you. Every drop of memory, pure and true. In the rhythm of the storm, I find our song. In your love, where I belong. Let the rain fall, let the night go on. In your heart, I found my dawn. No shadow can dim the light we share, for in your gaze, I lose all care. Whispers in the rain, they speak of you. Every drop of memory, pure and true. In the rhythm of the storm, I find our song. In your love, where I belong. As the rain fades and the dawn appears, I hold on to the love we've grown through years. In the silence after, our love remains. Eternal whispers in the gentle rain. As the rain fades and the dawn appears, I'll hold on to the love we've grown through years.